Okay, Payton, today I will be giving you sound effects for your ice cream eating. Ready? Nip. Nip. No.
Oh, I played with Keely's hair today, and she got a perm. And I said, "What is the grain of this hair? What is the
Is that the
Nope.
term white people use?
She was like, "I'm going with the
That's one of my favorite comments Ricky has ever made. I'm going with the grain. Is that the right term?
This has been fun.
This has been great.
People?
It's only 48 seconds. Keep going.
Did I say that? Sometimes. Not really. I think it's just me. Hello, lovely.
Hey, Paige.
I saw you run away from me earlier today.
I don't know.
What was that about? No.
Wow. So good.
Look at my mom found a rentable mechanical bull
That was enough.
graduation party.
I can't do this anymore. I
Yes,
can't
you
live
can.
this way.
Shut up. Just eat your popsicle.
Yeah, because there's a big window.
That was a little late.
It's because I was prepared. Nah.
I think this is good.
Okay, say bye.